What's up, guys? We're doing a recap here, October the 4th. Let's get into it here. So I have it on pause right now because there was some technical difficulties today. So we have our green on the 60, just turned green. It has been yellow and we turned green. So we got green on the 15, green on the 5. And so we get good green here. I see my green on the 1. I end up getting in here, and as we get in here, we go yellow, and this is where the technical difficulties happen here, where I lose internet connection, and then I lose the zoom, and then I'm like, what the heck is going on? And I'm like, trying to log into my Trade-of-8 on my phone, which I learned a lesson here. Make sure you guys are logged into your Trade-of-8 on your phone to check my position. Well, anyways, so right now it's 7:37 a.m. We got a wild open here. It was crazy. And finally, the bottom charts just all lined up green, and I take an entry to the upside. And so I'm going to kind of play this here and fast forward it through the technical difficulties here. So the last thing that I see on my screen is like I go red like $80. I think I'm red $80 and then I lose internet connection. Let's see here. So we start going down like, okay. I don't even put my stop loss in. So here I am. I lose my zoom. I'm trying to get back to it. I'm like, what is going on? And I'm like, where did my screen go? I lost my screen here. Then I get kicked out. So I'm out of the Zoom. No internet connection. Okay. I'm scrambling here. Let's see if we can fast forward it just a bit more. Okay. I'm back on. I'm like, okay. And then I log back on and then I'm up $360. This was 100% dog luck. I mean, I'm so grateful that we had a really good, strong uptrend here, and I just exit. I was green like 360 something bucks. We go yellow there. I'm like, I'm done. Take my money, and that was pretty much the big move there. I think I do catch another move a little bit later on here, but the sad part is, so here's our second play here. I switch over, so I grab a mini here. We're still green. We got to reset here, and then I'm like, hey, we're losing. We're yellow here. We're pretty much heading down. Let's see if it'll play out here. All right, so here's a second play of the day. We actually played another play. We played this run here before the open, or like kind of close towards the open. I'm dragging up my stop loss here. We got one mini contract here, and this one's here looking a little weak. And I'm like, hey, should I take my money? Should I leave it? I'm kind of just watching the 1 minute here. We're green there. We're pretty solid green on the bottom as well. So we're up $100 here. Just kind of letting it play, being a bit more patient. When I got especially when they just turned green. I mean, they just turns green here. Up another $300 very quickly there. I'm looking for my exit. I got the finger on the trigger here. And there's my yellow. So I got yellow here. Put my stop loss here and secure the win. Finger on the trigger. Just kind of give it a little bit more time to work out. If I see my 1 minute go yellow, I'm out. So we're catching a really nice place here. I just end up taking my $200. We're yellow there. Take my $200. Like by this time, I've already hit my goal for the day. I mean, in less than just 20 minutes of trading, I set out an intention to make $500 today, and I hit it really early, and this is when I get to be like, okay, hit my goal. I can either switch over to the micros so I don't, make stupid trades and end up giving things back because, this has already made its move. It's made its big move here, and a lot of times they pretty much have these big runs and then they trade sideways for the rest of the day. And I do end up playing little plays here and there. I get chopped up a bit. Oh, look, another $170 there. I think I take it here again. Yeah, another 100. Or I do. I think at $80, I think is what I take on this trade here. Or Yeah, I got finger on the trigger here. Put in my stop. Yeah, I end up winning this trade. I accidentally bought 2 minis. And so there you go. There's the pop. I'm up another $300 there. And I take my exit right there. I mean, it was an accidental trade. Luck was on my side today for sure. But anyways, I do end up playing a little bit more. Like, I think I'm up like yeah, I think I'm up like $700 for the day. I take a break. I actually end up coming back towards the end of the day, power hour. I miss out on 2 big plays, and then I end up giving back a nice chunk, like $200. So I think I closed like right at my goal for the day of trading, $500. I was up 800, and right back down to 500. And so, happy with the $500 gains for the day. And we'll just continue to learn together. So there you go.